Hello Philippines and hello world! Welcome to my vlog. Coach Dennis Zuniga at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Laguna para sa isang activity na naman po. So ito literal fitness to. Maganda to kasi na-invite tayo dito para mag-conduct ng warm up at the same time dance fitness activity. Now after syempre nun is cool down. After nun is cool down. No? So samahan nyo kami sa video natin ngayon. Ang activity na ito is inorganize ng Rotary Club of Camp Crame. Bakit ito naging makabuluhan? Dahil ang Rotary Club of Camp Crame ay nagkaroon ng for a cause activity para matulungan po yung ating mga kababayang may cancer, at the same time yung mga mahihirap nating mga nasa laylayan na kababayan natin na malapit sa Mount Pinatubo. And then sa Panatag Shoal, alam nyo ba sa island na yun is merong mga kababayan natin na nakatira doon. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa video na to at tayo ay makikiindak at magpapa-dance fitness ngayong araw to. Okay, kung hindi ka pa nakapollow kay Coach Dennis Zuniga, please follow my page, Coach Dennis Zuniga. At the same time, please subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. At maraming salamat po.
At ito na nga po, nagsimula na po ang programa ng Rotaran 2025 at pakinggan natin ang message ni Past President Police Colonel Janet Homo sa ating mga participants sa Rotaran 2025.
Today, we're not just participants. We are change makers. Each and every one of you has the power to make a difference. And this run is our chance to shine. Your participation today fuels life-changing programs that empower our youth to chase their dreams, provide the care and compassionate to our elderly, offer hope to our abandoned children and others. Lace up those shoes and hit the ground running and make the Rotaran 2025 an unforgettable experience. Let's do this!
After ng message ni Ma'am Janet Homo at ng maikling programa ng Rotaran 2025 ay agad na po nating isinalang ang ating warm-up activity para sa mga runner na tatakbo dito sa activity na to. And take note guys, ang warm-up ay napaka-importante sa lahat ng klase ng physical fitness activity na gagawin ninyo. So syempre, ito ay mahalaga para ma-avoid natin ang injury na po pwede nating makuha sa mga gagawin nating activities. And then at the same time, para ma-prepare natin ang katawan ng mga tatakbo dito sa run na to at maging maganda ang kanilang kondisyon sa pagtakbo ng napili nilang category.
So mamaya po kapag nakompleto na po natin ang ating mga participants, saka po tayo mag-dance fitness at diretso sa ating cool down. Stretch, flex. Good. Last 1 minute to start. Other side. Rotation. And lunge. Ayan na po. After this, we will do jumping jack. Siyempre, kailangan natin i-warm up ang ating heart para hindi mabigla yan mamaya. Papaangatin lang natin. Ready? 15 times. And let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Send last 5. 5, 4, 3. Let's do some. Sprint. 4, 3, 2. Everybody say ha! Ha! Warm up complete. Okay, let's now proceed to starting point para po simulan ang inyong run. Have a safe run to everyone and good luck. Ma'am! Akin na ma'am! Yes ma'am. And 1, 2, one more!
Welcome everyone.
Ma'am, lalapit ako. And 1, 2.
Finish line for 3 kilometer distance.
Let's go. Yes ma'am, go ahead ma'am. Sige sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Ito. One more and 1, 2. Okay na sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Follow kami. Sir, kaway, sir. Sir, kaway, sir.
And after ng ganap ng mga selfie natin, syempre hindi mawawala dyan ang one man natin ni Pat Mix.
Coach Dennis Zuniga, the dancer, the protector, the guide, with the badge on his chest and the rhythm inside. On the floor he's a leader, with moves so divine, keeping order by day and by night.
At dahil tapos tayo sa warm-up, syempre bisitahin natin yung mga booth ng mga sponsor natin. Unahin natin si Pit Bar.
Alright, at itatry natin ngayon ang kanilang palaro, Pit Bar. So tara, punta natin. Madali yan, ma'am.
Okay, our second kilometer
Dark
finish
game,
is
so
just
sana makuha natin yung cellphone. Pag full size. Ito? Okay.
Congratulations, sir.
Ay, ang lakas. Sorry. Ito yung bago. Medikit, no? Ayaw. Ito na lang, ito na lang.
At dahil hindi natin nakuha ang bullseye, kahit pa paano, nabigyan naman tayo ng sticker ng Fitbar. Hindi man natin natikman ng Fitbar, bibili na lang tayo sa 7-Eleven. Ayan ang sticker natin. At kahit pa paano, i-flex pa rin natin sila.
Step by step, he shows us how to walk tall. In the chaos of life, he stands through it all. With a smile and a twirl, he breaks
And
every
dismount
chain.
safely. Kita nyo man, napaka-smooth. And shout out Fitbar. At sana matikman natin yan next time. And syempre, bisitahin natin yung ibang booth na present ngayong araw na ito.
Ano yan, libre lang yun?
Oo, puntahan mo.
Sample sir ng ano ba sir? Coffee po. Uy, Boss Max, ito ba sir yung pampatigas ng katawan?
We actually have our winner for 5 kilometers plus.
Stevia, healthy ang stevia.
Congratulations, sir.
Wow. Available po tayo sa 7-Eleven. Sa 7-Eleven meron na sir? Meron po. Ano tong iba sir? Pamamalo po na, 100% po na organic juice sir, titiplay natin. Ano pa yung...
Again, we will be acknowledging the top with pictures from each district.
Wow naman. So, thank you very much, Boss Max, no? Boss Max 3. Thank you sir.
Of each distance. So,
Gawa niyo sir?
Core
Core Bridge. Core Bridge, tama. Thank you sir. Salamat sir. Dami. Thank you, Core Bridge and Boss Max 3.
Yun, at thank you sa ating mga sponsors. At dahil parating na po ang ating mga runners sa finish at nagdadagsaan na rin ang dating ay punta nila dito sa mga booths ng mga sponsors. Talagang dinudumog na nila itong mga booths ng ating mga sponsors at talagang iniisa-isa nila yung mga booths nito. At syempre para makuha nila yung mga freebies nila dito. Yun, kita nyo naman yung haba ng pila ng ating mga finishers dito. At habang busy sila sa mga freebies ay nagpa-dance fitness na tayo at diretso cool down na sa ating mga participants dito sa Road to Run 2025. Ito yung mga hindi mawawala sa mga programs ng Fun Run kapag na-invite ang ating PNP Dance and Fitness team na mag-lead ng kanilang warm-up. So kita nyo naman yung ating mga participants. Yung mga nasa unahan nga pala guys, sila nga pala yung mga Rotarian ng Camp Crame or Rotary Club of Camp Crame na active na nakijoin sa ating dance fitness activity. At syempre, dahil yan, sila rin po pala ang dahilan kung bakit meron tayong Road to Run 2025 at dahil yan sa kanilang pag-organize. So kita nyo naman yung pagtakbo ng ating mga kasama guys. So talagang buhos talagang energy dyan sa ating dance fitness. So yan nga pala yung ating mga kadete ng PNPA na talagang humakot ng awards sa pagtakbo or dito sa fun run na ito. And syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo mag-lead ng dance fitness.
With moves so divine, keeping order by day and by night, he shines. From the office to the studio, he leads the way, teaching life through movement, step by step every day. In every turn and pivot, there's a lesson to be learned, discipline and passion in every move earned. He's got the strength of the shield, the soul of the song, a rhythm that reminds us where we all belong. Coach Dennis Zuniga, the dancer, the protector, the guide, with the badge on his chest and the rhythm inside. On the floor he's a leader, with moves so divine, keeping order by day and by night. He shines.
Diretso cool down na, Stampy, di ba? Sige.
At matapos ng mahigit kumulang na 30 minutes na hataw sa yawan or dance fitness sa ating participants ay kailangan naman nating i-cool down or stretching ang ating mga runners na sumabak sa ating Road to Run 2025 para mag-normal ang circulation ng blood flow at ng heartbeat ng ating mga participants at the same time whole body relaxation at the same time gumanda ang kanilang pakiramdam after ng kanilang pagtakbo takbo at after ng nakaka-enjoy at masayang dance fitness activity na ginawa natin dito sa Rotarun 2025. Special shoutout nga pala sa may-ari ng music nito, Police Master Sergeant Robert Basan Abella Jr. ng RP Kaduwan.
Ako si Mamang Pulis. Ang buhay ko'y handang inuwis. Kahit na ano mangyari, ako ay magsisilbi. Ako si Mamang Pulis.
Good morning po!
And after ng mga run and fitness activity ay syempre group picture na muna tayo bago mag-proceed sa pinaka-inaantay na part ng ating mga runners, kung walang iba kundi ang awarding of winners. So congratulations po pala sa ating mga winners dito sa Rotarun 2025, and special shoutout nga pala sa mga kadete na nag-join dito sa Rotarun 2025 dyan sa PNPA and PPSA.
With a time of 15 minutes, 5 seconds. Miss Demi Lapugan. Yes, cadet. Alright, congratulations, Demi Lapugan. With a time of 14 minutes, 3 seconds, again from PNPA. Calling Jaira Dayak.
Oh, congratulations!
Congratulations! Course our champion for the 3 kilometers category for female with a time of 14 minutes, 1 second, again from PNPA. Miss Brittany Sangoy, our champion. 3 kilometer female category, congratulations!
Ayan. Please, proceeds Oju. Ayan.
Time of 12 minutes and 5 seconds. We have Cadet Third Class Sally Carl Jeremy.
Congratulations!
Salamat PNPA! Batak!
And for our champion with a time of 11 minutes and 43 seconds, we have Cadet Fourth Class Jerome Volfango.
Napakabilis ni Sir. Congratulations! Cadet Third Class, Cyril Marquez. Second runner-up, congratulations. 25 minutes, 22 seconds, that's very fast. Okay, for our first runner-up, with a time of 24 minutes, 50 seconds. Again from PNPA, Cadet Third Class, Daniela Bautista. Congratulations.
Parang nakikita ko yung clouds sa Ma'am Crystal Peralta. Sabi niya, ganyan din ako dati.
And of course, our champion for 5 kilometer female category with a time of 24 minutes, 32 seconds from PNPA, Cadet Second Class, Ria Santo Tome. Congratulations!
Alright, congratulations winners. Cadet First Class Andrew Garcia.
Congratulations!
For the first runner-up with a time of 21 minutes and 7 seconds. May we call on Cadet Second Class Johan Kyle Alvarillo. Alright, congratulations for our champion, 5-kilometer male category with a time of 19 minutes and 18 seconds. May we call on John Michael Lastra.
Sir, napakatulin talaga. Was sprinting to the finish line. Congratulations po.
Sir, ano bang kinain mo, sir, kanina?
Kala ko may PNPA na naman. Kasi kala ko Intel eh.
Naku, ito yung mga nag-10 kilometers run. Oh, medyo mahaba-haba. Okay, so let's start with the female category. Again, top 3 for 10 kilometers. For second runner-up with a time of 50 minutes, 32 seconds from PNPA Cadet 4th Class, Canabay Osongan. Congratulations!
By the looks of it, parang taga Kabayan Liter.
50 minutes, napakatulin. Nagmamadali si ma'am. For our first runner-up, with a time of 49 minutes, 24 seconds from PNPA, Cadet 4th Class, Isel May Rada. Congratulations! And of course, ang reyna ng 10-kilometer run natin this morning. Who got in the fastest time for a female with 48 minutes, 14 seconds. Our champion, Police Cadet First Class, Justin J. Kapahi. Congratulations, ma'am.
And still, the winner is coming from Cordillera ba?
Grabe. Strong female finishers for this morning. Very inspiring and nakaka-proud. Thank you, mga madam. And congrats.
Alam sa lahat ng kadete na natalo ni ano ha? Ayan. Congratulations! For our first runner-up, with a time of 41 minutes and 42 seconds, we have Cadet 4th Class, Jen Lopez. Oh. Go Foxtrot daw! Foxtrot! What's the best company? Joke lang. Joke lang. Bravo, ang best company yan. Mamaya pag-usap tayo. Pero ngayon, Bravo ang best company. Ayan. For our champion, with a time of 41 minutes and 10 seconds, we have Isakar Mait. Oh,
Congratulations, sir.
from the Cadet Corps Philippine Public Safety Academy.
And again, congratulations sa ating mga winners at syempre hindi matatapos ang programang ito nang hindi nagsasalita ang ating magical president na si Police Lieutenant General Edgar Alan Ocubo.
Alright, congratulations, General Edgar Alan O. Ocubo, for this message.
Okay, Dan. Mr. Bishop, pasalamatan ko lang yung mga tumulong sa atin para maging successful itong panran natin. Si Dr. Police General Romeo Magsalos ng National Police College, who sent almost 400 students from the OPC and OEC. Likewise, si Sir Canina, Police Major General Ferdinand Daway, retired, who is also a past president of the Rotary Club of Camp Crame. Si Ma'am Joy Gutierrez ng Trust Trade. Salamat po, ma'am, for supporting this fun run. Of course, si Police Colonel Ricardo Dalmacia, ang ating PD ng Laguna. Lieutenant Colonel Benson Pimentel, ang ating camp ng Santa Rosa City. and of course, the Rotary Club of Camp Crame members na sumama sa atin lahat dito with the past president, Police Colonel Janet Homo, na nandyan po. I could also see some supporting units here, ang ating sub medical and dental unit that provided ambulance and personnel, security from Laguna PPO, and of course, all the participants, mga PNP, and especially dito sa ating mga kadete ng Philippine National Police Academy. At ngayon ko rin lang nakita, meron din palang kadete, yung Philippine Public Safety College, no? That they're separated na pala to be fire inspector later on. Ang ating pong sponsor, salamat po, Trust-Trade, Pitbar, Black Mamba, Tribong Marsakit, FPMPC, at salamat din po sa ating organizer, the PGFNs and Production. Si ma'am ng MC natin dito, salamat ma'am. At yung PNP Fitness Club kanina, na nag-warm up and nag-cool down sa ating lahat. Salamat din po. Nandun po sila, no? Sabi ng mga hindi pang nagpaparticipate, tuloy-tuloy daw sana. But of course, they have to end this program. So, the objective and mission po ng ating fun run is a fundraising for us, Rotary Club of Camp Crame. No? Meron po tayong Rotary Club of Camp Crame. That's why when you graduate, yung mga 2025 dyan, if you go to Camp Crame, hope you could join the Rotary Club. No? Rotary Club. It is a father's service above self. No? Kung tayong mga pulis, kadete, ay magsiservisyo sa community, meron pang mas higher. No? I may say this is the Rotary Club of Camp Crame. No? Because definitely we give services sa GIDAS areas. Ito po yung malalayo. GIDAS means the geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. Recently, we went to Pagasa Island and give basic educational services, laptops, books, computers, cabinets, doon po sa mga estudyante ng Pag-asa Island. Meron po eskwelahan doon, and it's the first and last bastion of our democracy. Meron po 200 communities doon, kung hindi nyo alam. May 200 na tao doon, civilian, mga bata, teachers, matanda, no? Pinapaligiran ng more or less 200 Chinese Navy and Chinese militia araw-araw. Mahiya naman sila na bababa doon kasi may civilian. Palakasin natin doon. Recently, we also came from Manok Mangkaw, Bunggao, Tawi-Tawi, no? And give medical services doon. Isa po nakita natin doon ay kulang ang ating mga brother Muslims, sister Muslims ng medicals. So, malalayo, no? Malalayo. And kahapon po, galing kami sa Mount Pinatubo, doon sa crater, and doon sa mga areas ng crater, may mga sityo, may mga IPs, indigenous people, may mga ETA na nakatira. At humingi po sila ng mga gamit sa eskwelahan, solar lights, mga tsinelas, napakarami po, no? And of course, with this fundraising, we have another areas to hit. It will be Batanes, Benguet, pwede din po sa may Canlaon kasi sumasabog pa yung volcano doon. We give services to these GIDAS areas, and I'm very proud and happy to tell you that you are a big part of this. Maraming salamat po, and may our organization tribe, may the Rotary Club of Camp Crame Tribe Father. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video at maraming salamat po sa pag-subaybay sa ating mga video and vlog. And again, congratulations po sa ating Rotary Club of Camp Crame na pinamumunuan ng ating magical President and TCDS Police Lieutenant General Edgar Alan Ocubo. And special shout out din po pala sa ating idol na si Sir Retired Police Major General Daway na talaga namang laging sumusuporta dyan dyan sa Rotary Club of Camp Crame. Ayan, so again, congratulations sa ating mga winners, sa lahat ng mga runners, at syempre sa organizer ng event na ito. And then again, kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa aking social media, please follow me, Coach Dennis Zuniga, at huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Coach Dennis Fitness TV. Kung napanood mo itong video na ito, mag-iwan ka ng baka sa ating comment section, drop your comment, and maraming salamat po. See you for the next vlog.